As Marcus Aurelius taught us, when you rise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Every sunrise is a silent reminder life is fleeting and yet full of meaning. In today's video, you'll discover 7 powerful morning habits rooted in Stoicism, designed to strengthen your mindset, ground your discipline, and prepare you to face life with wisdom and calm. Let's begin. Habit 1. Acknowledge life's impermanence. The Stoic reminder of mortality. Before the noise of the world enters, take a few quiet moments to reflect on how brief this life truly is. You don't do this to feel fear, but to feel clarity. The Stoic philosophy teaches us that everything we hold, everything we are, is subject to change. Visualize the universe, the stars being born and fading, empires rising and crumbling, your own life just a breath in time. When we understand the transient nature of life, we don't waste time. We prioritize love, meaning, and presence. As Seneca once wrote, life is long if you know how to use it. Habit 2. Journal with intention. Reflect, release, realign. Marcus Aurelius's meditations began as a personal journal, a place to wrestle with his thoughts. You can do the same. Each morning, write down what's stirring in your mind. Let the page catch your fears, your hopes, your scattered thoughts. Then, shift to gratitude. Name 3 simple things you're thankful for. This clears the mind like sweeping fallen leaves from a path. Next, reflect. Where did I live with reason yesterday? Where did I let emotion override virtue? How can I respond better today? This is the essence of practical Stoicism, not lofty theories, but quiet, honest growth. Habit 3. Set intentions, not just goals. Focus on the inner, not the outcome. Goals chase results. Intentions shape character. A goal might be to finish a project, but an intention, today I will approach each task with focus and patience. Stoic philosophy reminds us we don't control outcomes, but we do control effort, attitude, and virtue. Start your day by writing one simple intention. Let it guide you when life turns uncertain. Habit 4. Embrace discomfort. Discipline your mind through challenge. Comfort is everywhere, but comfort softens the mind. The Stoics believed in training the body and spirit through small voluntary discomforts. Take a cold shower. Skip the coffee. Walk instead of drive. Reflect on a past hardship and the strength it brought out of you. As Seneca advised, occasionally live simply, saying to yourself, "Is this what I feared?" This habit builds resilience, an iron mind forged not in ease, but in endurance. Habit 5. Practice Stoic mindfulness. Return to the present moment. You don't need incense or mantras. You need stillness. Each morning, sit quietly. Focus on your breath. Notice how it enters and leaves the body. Watch your thoughts pass like clouds. Acknowledge them, then let them go. This is Stoic meditation, grounding yourself not in fantasies or fears, but in the moment. Epictetus reminds us men are disturbed not by things, but by their views of things. When you train your perception, you gain control over your emotions. Habit 6. Revisit Stoic teachings, daily wisdom for daily life. Every day, read just one passage from Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus. Let the words sink in, pause, reflect. Ask, how does this apply to my life today? Write your thoughts if you like. Share them with someone close. Habit 7. Practice Amor Fati. Love whatever happens. Amor Fati means love of fate. Not just accepting what comes, but welcoming it. Lost your keys? Be grateful for the chance to practice patience. Faced a setback? See it as training for your soul. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Every event, joyous or painful, is part of your unique path to wisdom. Start your day with this mindset, and nothing can shake your inner peace. Let Stoicism shape your life. These 7 habits are more than a routine. They're a way of being. When you reflect, journal, stay present, and live with intention, you begin to embody the Stoic mindset, calm, focused, and unshakable. So, which one will you begin tomorrow? Comment below. Let's build this Stoic Mind community together. If this video brought you clarity, consider liking and subscribing. We'll continue exploring the wisdom path, one grounded step at a time.